Experiencing Bluetooth connection problems between your Garmin Edge 520 Plus and your smartphone? You're not alone. This video provides a comprehensive guide to resolving these issues, focusing on software solutions and best practices to ensure a stable connection for data syncing and ride uploads. We'll cover common causes and step-by-step fixes to get you back on the road quickly. Bluetooth pairing for the Edge 520 Plus involves establishing a secure, low-power connection between the device and a smartphone for data syncing, like ride uploads to Garmin Connect. Before diving into troubleshooting, let's cover the basics. The Edge 520 Plus uses Bluetooth Low Energy to minimize battery drain while connecting to your phone. Key steps include enabling Bluetooth on both devices, placing the Edge in pairing mode via settings, and confirming the connection in the Garmin Connect app. Authentication relies on a PIN or proximity-based approval to prevent unauthorized access. BLE has a range of about 10 meters and transfers data up to 1 Gbps, so proximity matters. Here's what the device looks like when waiting for Bluetooth pairing. Software updates, the first line of defense. Outdated software is a primary culprit for pairing problems. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Garmin Connect mobile app, version 5.0 or later, released in Q1 2026. Next, check for firmware updates on your Edge 520 Plus. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Software Update. Install any available updates. Garmin releases iterative firmware updates, like version 13.2.1, that include stability improvements for BLE connections, reducing dropouts. According to user surveys, post-2025 updates have led to a 60% resolution rate for pairing issues. Certain smartphone settings can interfere with Bluetooth connectivity for your Garmin Edge 520 Plus. Make sure location services are enabled for the Garmin Connect app. On iOS, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Location Services. Set Garmin Connect to always or while using the app to ensure proper Bluetooth pairing. On Android, the process is similar. Go to Settings, then Location, then App Permissions. Make sure Garmin Connect has the necessary location access enabled. Also, close unnecessary background apps that may be conflicting with the Bluetooth connection. These apps can interfere with pairing stability. One case study involved a cyclist who resolved disconnections by disabling background apps on their iPhone 15 Pro. A classic troubleshooting step is to forget the device and repair it. This often resolves persistent Bluetooth connection issues. First, on your smartphone's Bluetooth settings, find the Edge 520 Plus and select Forget or Unpair. Next, on your Edge 520 Plus, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, then Paired Devices. Select your phone and choose Delete. Then, restart both devices to clear any temporary issues. Finally, open the Garmin Connect app and use the Pair Device Wizard to establish a new connection. As detailed in a DC Rainmaker review, a user successfully fixed pairing issues by following these steps, including enabling location services. Bluetooth signals can be susceptible to interference from other wireless devices like Wi-Fi routers. Try moving away from potential sources of interference. Network congestion, particularly in urban areas, can also cause connection instability. If possible, test the pairing in a less crowded environment. While future standards like Bluetooth 5.3 promise better range and interference resistance, these issues can still affect the Edge 520 Plus. Experts emphasize proactive maintenance as the key to preventing Bluetooth pairing issues on your Garmin Edge 520 Plus. Rainmaker from DC Rainmaker advises ensuring everything is up to date. Keep your device firmware, smartphone operating system, and Garmin Connect app current for optimal performance. Garmin support data shows that 45% of pairing tickets are closed after firmware updates, while 25% require phone-side changes like clearing cache. Cycling coach Joe Friel suggests treating Bluetooth pairing like calibrating a bike. Regular checks prevent bigger issues. Just as you maintain your bicycle, maintain your device's connectivity. Finally, perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This clears temporary glitches without losing your data. The cycling tech industry is evolving toward more reliable wireless ecosystems. Garmin is prioritizing over-the-air updates to address connectivity issues without needing physical resets. Garmin emphasizes over-the-air updates to fix connectivity bugs seamlessly. The Garmin Connect app now features AI-assisted diagnostics that automatically scan for common problems and recommend solutions. Predictions show a 30% reduction in pairing complaints by 2028, thanks to machine learning advancements in support tools. Look ahead to integration with Bluetooth 5.3 in upcoming Edge series updates for improved range and reliability.